ECDL Advanced Excel Lesson 78 Adding Images to Charts. The use of images can greatly enhance the impact of charts. They can be used with any component of the chart, but in practice they're most commonly used as backgrounds for the plot area or for the chart area, or as data columns. Okay, so let's look at that. If you open the workbook Charts, make the sales chart active, click any column to select all the data columns, right-click and select Format Data Series. Okay. In the Series Options section, reduce the gap width to approximately 100%. By dragging the gap width slider slightly to the left. Click the Fill and Line button and then the Fill button. In the Fill section, select the Picture or Texture Fill. Then for the picture source insert, we're going to insert a file, sales.gif. Make sure the stretch option is selected. This makes the one image fill the column. Okay, close the Format Data Series pane to see the full effect on the chart. Repeat the steps to add symbol.gif and set the format option to stack. So, just as before, right-click on the selected columns, Format Data Series, Fill Bucket, Picture or Texture Fill, Insert, File, this time it's symbol.gif, and we're going to set the format option to stack. Click Close to see a different style of graphic representation. Okay, let's use the Format Data Series dialog box again. And this time we're going to fill it with a solid fill and give it a colour of your choice. Then select the Series Options button, and this time we're going to widen the gap between the columns to approximately 150. And as can be seen, this reduces the width of the columns. Okay, leave the pane open. A note, at the moment it says Format Data Series. If we want to see the effect of an image as a background, click on the plot area of the chart. And now the pane reflects the change. In Fill, select Picture or Texture Fill, click the Insert button, and this time the picture we want to use is CIA logo. The image fills the whole of the plot area. The transparency option can be used to tone down an image that overpowers the chart. So, set the transparency slider to 70%. Okay. Now let's close the Format Plot Area pane so we can see the effects. And hopefully we'll agree that looks a lot better. Okay, if you close the workbook without saving, we've now reached the end of the section dealing with charts, and now it's your time to do a revision exercise. If you're working with the CIA textbook, it's Lesson 79, and it'll cover all that we've just learnt on the topic of charts. Okay, I hope that's been fun. I look forward to seeing you next time when we'll be starting section 16, which will be on the topic of data tables. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.